Use this.
Introducing M30 Plus, super compact laser distance measurer. With its small size and weight, you can easily measure anywhere. With a one-click system, anyone can measure fast and effortlessly. With M30 Plus, you can be a professional within a second. Measuring distance becomes easy, and you can find curtains that will fit your windows perfectly. And when you place any furniture, you will notice that the furniture will fit easily to measured spaces. Through continuous measurement function, you can hang any paintings or pictures on the wall. Also, the design of the M30 Plus provides efficiency and ergonomics. With polyurethane pads on each and bottom sides, M30 Plus provides a more comfortable grip. Even if you drop it, you can rely on M30 Plus's solid protection. The protection has the level of IP54, which prevents water or dust, which helps the M30 Plus be reliable in harsh environments as well. From home interior to DIY, everyone can be professionals. With M30 Plus, you can measure easily, simply, and quickly by yourself. It is compact, portable, and useful to anyone. Super Compact Laser Distance Measurer, M30 Plus by Magpie Tech.